Hi everyone. So for my flip lesson, I decided to work on phonetic sounds with the long I family, I'd, Eind, Ike. For my project, I'll be doing an I'd, Eind, Ike sort for my first grade classroom. The children will start by making this chart in their journal, in their phonetic journal that they'll have. And then as we go on, they'll be listening to different words and looking at different words and then placing them in the correct category. So the first one would be ride, so they would want to put that into the I'd category. Same with the word hide. Each slide will not only have the word there, but it will also have a picture to incorporate the word into it. So if the child is unsure of the word while they're at home, they do have a picture to help them with that as well. It does get a little bit more difficult, like the word twine. Most children might not know what that is, but this will help them with having the picture. The next one would be 9, so it would go into the Eind family. Next is shine, so that would also go into the Eind family. So while the children are doing this, they can also get help by their parents at home. That way they'll be ready for when they come in for the next day for their lesson. They have bike, pine, spike, dine, and then at the end it will have a place where they can check their work to make sure that they did it right, not only to help them but to also help the parents while they're doing this. I believe this is important just so that the children are aware of what is correct and what is not, so that they are ready to come in the next day. I also included 3 videos to help the children understand the phonetic meaning of the long I families. The next day when they do come into the classroom, we will be using these words and the different phonetic I sounds to make a story all together as a class. For my standards that I used use illustrations and details in a story to describe the characters, setting, or events for when they do write that story in class all together. Orally produce single-syllable words by blending sounds, including consonant blends, which they will do that in front of their peers at class when we make our story. Segment spoken single-syllable words into their complete sequence of individual sounds, and demonstrate understanding of spoken syllables and sounds. Thank you guys so much for listening today.